Am I in the way or just? Okay, so yeah, I mean, a great end result. I sort of scalped a bit, so like I scalped a bit more. There was like more trades than you can see here. But yeah, I was a bit intermittent, temperamental. But these were the main trades anyway, with the bulk as generally being with the last two, which I cut short anyway. But we'll get to that. So trade one, just about to see, I've written too eager because obviously we had this massive drop. And then here, because I think I was looking at, there was some sort of level. This was just above a level. We had this inside candle. So then as that, well, I didn't even wait for this. I was too eager. Obviously went in on this candle because there's probably a few seconds. This is a minute chart. Few seconds before the end of it. So I knew it was going to remain an inside candle. So I thought, sod it. Just always stupid, like too eager again, always bites me in the ass. So like I need to wait for confirmation. But anyway, to that, straight down, straight through. 2 minutes later, done. Anyway, then we got this. And again, I guess we're at that level. Still, it's bearish. It's definitely bearish and I'm buying. So I'm going against strength without confirmation. That's not the way to do it. So that was a mistake. I mean, and if it had hit, I'd have got lucky. You know, like I did buy this actually. That's interesting. That's why I cut one of these. I bought this because we were off of here. I bought this, but I cut because again, it was like this and I've been burned. So anyway, yeah, I mean, I get it. That is a very compelling candle. Bought that, but yeah, anyway, point being, not good enough. Going against strength. So then we come up. What I believe is filling, basically coming up and filling the imbalance roughly. I mean, the imbalance really was here, where I did go in there, funnily enough, but I set my stop loss up here. We then digged around, came through, didn't work. -2R because I'd over leveraged. So yeah, but no notes. Like I'm happy with that trade. That is, that is going with bearish strength. That is a logical entry point. I'm fine with that. Anyway, we came up, got this huge, beautiful shooting star, and then what appeared to be this falling resistance. So yeah, beautiful, got a really good entry on that. In there, yeah, it came here, almost closed, but didn't. Pop back up. And on the 5-minute chart, this was looking, that's why, yeah, this is a low, this black line. As we come off of it, it looked like I'm selling into support on the 5-minute chart. That's what it looked like. And I could just see this like struggling here. So I cut short, which luckily I did. I still obviously had this in. We then got this bearish engulfing. It was beautiful bearish engulfing off my support. So I had to take it, although I was ready to walk away. I was up for the day anyway. I took it. We came down, and then we must have got this. Yeah, I got out somewhere around here anyway. Made a little, and just walked away at that point. So, these two combined trades, this was just a little, we'll call this a bonus. Say this was the trade. Didn't quite make it, but then got it in that bit. So that's sort of one idea. So yeah, so happy with that. No notes, but the point being that I cut because I was observing the 5-minute chart. So just to make a note, it's always worth having 2 time frame perspectives. And if they both don't line up, get out. If they both line, which is what was going on here. Like here on the 1-minute chart, it looks like, we're just bearish. Bearish, all working. But on the 5-minute chart, it strongly looked like we'd make this high. This high over this at this level of support. And we've come off of this level of support. It looked like this was the turning point, which I think it might have been. Should we have a quick look? 330. Yeah, 3:30. 1 minute short yesterday. 3:30 p.m. Yesterday, the 23rd. There it is. Oh, there you had it. Here it is. So look, this was that first trade. This was that second trade. No. Oh, it wouldn't have stopped me out. Would have got me, but look. No, I don't know. We made these 2 equals highs, cleared that liquidity, and then headed back down. So what was my question? Yeah, are we coming up? So yeah, it really did pull up and then came down. Either way, it worked out for the best. So yeah, because I put 2% on these last 2 trades, made like a good wedge back, all the way to 2.5%. So good result. Keep your head, learn your lessons. I need confirmation, and the 5-minute chart is the boss. All right, one love.